Very hot water and 2 minutes is the waiting and the color.
Alright, we're going to the gold souk. We're going to find a nice jewelry for Jay, and then we're going to Riga night market to find some food. Right, it's very busy, it's weekend, it's bubbly. Sharp. Well, we're here, we're going to the gold souk, which is right down there. Hello. Yeah, I'm picking the jewelries I made for Julian. It's an Arabic word. You also have some nice perfumes here. Hello. The name of the shop is Happy what? Happy what?
Happy night.
Happy Night. It's by the Happy Night is by the utensil souk. So this is outside, so you come. You see this beautiful mosque here, and this is how outside look like. Hello, and this is the night, the Happy Nights, Lucky Life, Happy Nights. This is outside. Right, they also do some amazing spices and stuff in here.
It's not strong, small price.
This is 1 spoon.
Black tea, I think. Slim
This
tea.
is 1 spoon.
Okay.
Yeah. After put in the water, very hot water and 2 minutes is the waiting and the color and the drink.
2 minutes waiting, yeah?
Yeah, 2 minutes.
Okay. Thank you. Alright, so guys, I'm buying some black tea because I'm embarking on my weight loss journey next month. So I just thought I bought some tea because I want to lose this belly, you know, so I can look fit. So black tea, slim tea from Happy Night.
Yeah, happy night.
Happy Night. Happy Night in Dubai. Come to Happy Night. Green car.
Pretty, yeah?
It's very, very pretty. Shiny as well. Yeah. Toyota Camry. Toyota. Yeah, a huge one. So wholesale, isn't it?
आज भी ऑफर भी ऑफर स्पेशल ऑफर भी ऑफर गुड क्वालिटी वेलकम टू गिफ्टिंग आज भी ऑफर भी ऑफर वेलकम टू गिफ्टिंग ऑफर भी ऑफर आज भी
recording video post silly go to the quality point.
Okay.